Welcome to GooeyTrade and the DxTrade trading platform video series. In this video, we will look at basic charting on the DxTrade mobile platform. Tap a symbol in any watch list and the first thing you will see is its chart. You may change time frames from 1 minute to 1 month. You may change your price action view to bars, line, and candlesticks. Of course, you may view the charts vertically or horizontally. You may zoom in and zoom out along the x-axis by pinching and expanding side to side. Chart indicators may be found by tapping the beaker icon, and you will see a screen called Studies. Tap the plus sign, and you may scroll or search for your favorite indicators under New Studies. As an example, EMA will display an exponential moving average. Return to Studies, tap the pencil icon, and tap on the EMA. You may now edit the length and the color. For beginning traders, the moving average looks back over time and shows us an average price. For example, on the daily chart, an 8-period EMA looks back on price action, 8 candles, or 8 days. Correspondingly, on the hourly chart, the EMA looks back over the last 8 hours of price action. You may add an oscillator, which will appear in a separate window below the main chart. You may edit any indicator in the same way. Parameters and color. Returning to the Studies page, you will see a legend switch where you may turn off the display of information regarding each indicator. You may also hide individual indicators or all indicators by switching here. You may also delete one or all by tapping the pencil icon, tapping the red delete button, and tapping delete. For convenience, the indicators remain on the chart even when you change symbols. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this GooeyTrade DxTrade video series, and don't forget to like, subscribe, get notified, and check out our other videos on DxTrade.